Have you ever wondered how a large language model reasons, processes information, and arrives at an answer? Well, today, we're going to delve into a technique known as chain of thought prompting, which can provide us with a fascinating insight into the reasoning process of these powerful computational models. Chain of thought prompting, often abbreviated as KOT, is a method designed to help large language models, or LLMs, explain their reasoning. It does this by presenting the model with examples of the reasoning process, encouraging the model to generate a sequence of steps that lead to the desired outcome. This technique allows the model to concentrate on one step at a time, thus improving its performance on tasks that require logic, calculation, and decision-making. So, how does KOT prompting work? It's all about structuring the input prompt in a way that simulates human reasoning. Rather than asking the language model to solve a complex problem all at once, KOT prompting guides the model through intermediate reasoning steps. Consider a simple example. We have a group of numbers, 4, 8, 9, and 15, and we want to determine if the odd numbers in this group add up to an even number. Instead of directly prompting the model to solve this, we would use KOT to guide it through the necessary reasoning steps. Or, let's imagine you've been to the market and bought 10 apples. You gave 2 apples to your neighbor and 2 to the repairman. Instead of asking the LLM outright how many apples you have left, KOT prompting would guide the model through the necessary calculations, step by step. KOT prompting can also be combined with few-shot prompting, a method that shows the model a few examples of the desired output before asking it to solve the task. This combination can enhance results on more complex tasks. There's even a zero-shot variant of KOT, which involves adding the phrase, "think step by step" to the original prompt. The areas where KOT prompting excels are tasks related to arithmetic, common sense, and symbolic reasoning. However, it's worth noting that the benefits of KOT prompting may not be as pronounced or could even be counterproductive for other types of tasks. So, to summarize, chain of thought prompting is a powerful tool that can help us understand the reasoning process of large language models. It structures the input prompt to mimic human reasoning, guiding the model through a series of steps towards the final answer. This technique can improve model performance on tasks requiring logic and calculation, and can be combined with other prompting methods for even better results. However, its effectiveness may vary depending on the type of task at hand. And there you have it, the fascinating world of chain of thought prompting, a technique that not only improves the performance of large language models, but also provides us with a window into their reasoning process.